How to know if you are being ignored on Messenger? Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Play Store in your Android as well as on iPhone. Just you have to open the Messenger app in your Android. Now you can see that how you can be know that you are being ignored on Messenger when you have to send the message, and your message will be delivered to that person. It means their data is on. Then you can see the double mark. This is single mark. When that person is online, that double mark in white color will be shown. It means that person is online but he is not signing or seeing your message on Messenger. He is ignoring you. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. And you can see your delivery time of message. You have sent message at 9:57 p.m. and still that person is not seen on Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.